Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to begin with our calendar. Can you tell me what month we are in? April. So we're going to go ahead and move April up here. We're going to cross out all the days that have already passed, and we're going to stop at the number 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, yesterday was, if we look at our calendar, we know yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, next we're going to move on to fluency. We're going to read the words, and when you do this at home, you want to read the words and circle all the words that you can read. Remember, you want to try to read at least one more word than you did yesterday. Okay. A, M, N, and, can, do, for, go, has, have, he, here, I, in, is, it, like, look, me, my, know, play, said, see, she, so, the, to, up, we. Great job. Let's read them one more time. A, M, N, and, can, do, for, go, has, have, he, here, I, in, is, it, like, look, me, my, know, play, said, see, she, so, the, to, up, we. Great job. We read all 30 words. Okay, next we're going to move on to reading. For reading today, we're going to be doing another story and answering some questions. We're going to read the story 3 times. Let's start. I see a little gray rabbit. The rabbit is in my backyard. The rabbit is eating my carrots. So we read it one time, so we're going to go ahead and color 1 star. Okay, let's read it again. I see a little gray rabbit. The rabbit is in my backyard. The rabbit is eating my carrots. I colored another star. Let's read it one more time. I see a little gray rabbit. The rabbit is in my backyard. The rabbit is eating my carrots. Colored the last star. So let's go ahead and let's answer these questions. For number 1, the rabbit is, let's go to the story to see where we can find it. I see a little gray rabbit. So the rabbit is little and gray. So we're going to go ahead and write that down here. Little and gray. And I found found the answer there, so I went ahead and highlighted where I found my answer. Okay, number 2. Where is the rabbit? A, at the park, B, in my house, or C, in my backyard? Let's go to the story. The rabbit is in my backyard. So our answer is C, in my backyard. Okay. Number 3, last one. What is the rabbit eating? A, carrots, B, apples, C, grass. If we go to the story, it tells us the rabbit is eating my carrots. Yes, carrots. Great job. Okay, next we're going to move on to math. For math, we have been talking about subtraction. So what we're going to do is we have a picture here, and I want you to look at the picture and find and tell me 3 different subtraction stories. So let's go ahead and let's do a couple. So let's look at the geese here. So I have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 geese, and 3 of them fly away. So I'm taking away 3. So 7 minus 3 equals, how many are left inside the pond? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 1 subtraction story there for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over here with the birds. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, next, let's look at the ducks. So I have, let's count how many ducks we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ducks in total, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that have gotten out of the pond, so I'm going to take away 6. How many ducks are left swimming? 1, 2, 3. So there's another subtraction story. Let's look at the balloons. How many do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 balloons. And what's happening in the picture? One of them flies away. So I'm going to put -1 because 1 flew away. Put my equal sign. What's my answer? 9. So if we count all the balloons that are still here that did not fly away, we should get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. So those are 3 subtraction stories. You can also do one with the flowers, and you can do one with the squirrels or the nuts. Okay, next we're going to move on to science. And so for science, we've been talking about habitats. And so today what we're going to do is we have 4 different habitats here: a jungle, a forest, ocean, and a desert. You're going to circle one of them and then choose an animal that lives in that habitat and draw a picture of your animal in their habitat. So I am going to choose the ocean. And the animal that lives in that habitat that I am going to choose is a fish. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the habitat and draw my fish. So the ocean is full of water. So I'm drawing my water. There's also seaweed. So I'm going to draw some seaweed here. And in the ocean, there's lots of fish. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my fish. That is my animal. And I'm going to draw some smaller fish, some other fish that are also in the ocean. They're all different colors, so I'll draw some different colors. So in the ocean, the fish has the water. It has the air inside the water for it to breathe, and it has Depending on the fish, it'll eat different things. Sometimes they'll eat like seaweed. Sometimes if it's a big fish, they'll eat smaller fish. And so there is my habitat. And then it also gets sunlight in the morning. Okay, great job. Next, we're going to move on to social studies. And for social studies, all we're going to do is watch a quick video. So let's go ahead and let's watch it really quick.
A very important money skill to learn is the difference between needs and wants. But for children, that can be tricky. Put simply, a need is something you must have to survive, like food, water, and a home. A want is something that's nice to have, but you can actually live without, like an ice cream or a new skateboard. The story of Larry the fish helps explain the concept. Larry's swimming in his bowl and it's time for lunch. Oops! His bowl gets knocked over and he falls out. But phew, he's quickly scooped back in. So, what are Larry's needs? He needs fish food to eat and water to swim in to survive. But what's something Larry might want? Maybe a little castle to swim through. Now, here's a quiz to try. Call out an item and your child has to answer that it's a need or a want. Drinking water, chocolate, bed, TV, etc. It's good fun to do at home and you could try it at the supermarket too. Vegetables are needs and sweets are wants. Cash clever kids know they have to take care of their needs before they start thinking about what else they want, and they might even need to save up for it. Watch the other ASB Get Wise videos for more fun ways to help your children learn about being cash clever.
Okay, so we went ahead and we reviewed what our needs and wants, and I'll see you next time.